over 6 minutes. It's done finally.
Okay, now I would like to show you how to set up adaptive backsplash in your Orca slicer. You only need to set up once. It will automatically run adaptive backmesh every time. It's very simple. Just replace one line of code in your setting. As you can see now, I'm showing you the Snapmaker Orca slicer. At the top here, you can see your printer, Snapmaker U1. Mine is rename it. You can rename it as well. Click this button. This is the edit buttons. When you edit it, you can see a lot of tab here at the top. You find the machine G-code, pages, the tape. At the top one, which is machine start G-code. Scroll down to the near to the bottom area. You can seek for this one, which is here, bad mesh calibration. Right now, it's highlighted on the screen is the default setting. What you need to do is comment out it, which means disable this line by putting a semicolon at the far left side start of this statement, or simply delete it. What I've done here is put a semicolon here, starting by a semicolon. The previous line also starting by a semicolon. Make some comment in case I forgot what I have done here. What you need to do is delete or comment out and replace it by this line. I will put this line exact statement in the descriptions of the YouTube video. The difference is we don't pop 11 times 11 pop points for the whole bed. Instead, we run the adaptive mode equal to 1, which means enable adaptive, and the adaptive margin equal to 5. That's it. Once you replace the original with this new G-code, save it with your own naming or keep it as is. User preset OK. The save. One more thing is very important. You may already watch my previous video in regard exclude object. This adaptive backmesh feature rely on the information from the exclude object, which show the printer what to be print, what the coordinate to be print on the bed. What you also need is to ensure here from the print profile, the other tab, the exclude object feature must be enabled. Otherwise, this auto backmesh will not function. Which means two things: set up the G-code, the starting G-code, save the printer setting, as well as enable the exclude object. Done. Done. This is what I did for auto adaptive backmesh features.
Okay, today I would like to show you how fast auto backmesh is. Let's go. I use 3D Benchy for the testing. It's placed at the center of the bed. We don't need to do anything special, just hit the bed leveling. It will call auto backmesh. Adaptive mode depends on what your setting is.
Once you heard this sound, but this is now starting adaptive best match. As you can see, it's not starting from the bottom left hand corner here, but around just near the cleaned object positions. Done. Do you want to see the bad match result? Yes. .1283 the range is. That's only the center part for the Benchy. It's great, nice, adaptive. 0.1283 compared to the default one 0.2704.
Yeah, my first 3D Benchy in Snapmaker you won.